trust Varun sir's way of teaching. If you just follow the videos without practicing in the just follow, keep a target of watching two times of the video. There itself you'll be clearing your 50 to 60 percentage of the score. My name is Shiva Praneeth. I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad. Right now, I'm working in Deloitte as an Audit and Assurance Assistant. The reason why I opted Miles is that the way of teaching. Varun sir's way of teaching is very unique that it will surely impart in students' brain. And the main key for this is the practice, where a Miles book has helped a lot. You know, there will be a bunch of questions and also the Miles test bank, where it will be very handy for any CPA candidate. That is the only key. That's the practice, and which the Miles books and the test bank were both useful for the candidates. What I would say, and what exactly candidates need. Miles people are always 24 into 7, just a call away or a ping away to make your doubts clarify. CPA matlab Miles